Hey there, how are you today? Don't forget to watch my other video, 10 Tips for TOEIC. Find the link in the description below. TOEIC, Test of English for International Communication. You can find the test to check your level of English, or you can use it to find a job. There are two types of TOEIC tests. One is a speaking and writing test. The other one is listening and reading. In this video, we're going to look at the listening and reading test. I will explain the test to you step by step, nice and slow. Ready? Let's go. The TOEIC Listening and Reading Test. This test is very strict and serious. Before you come into the room, they will give you a full body check and make sure your pockets are empty. Then they will assign you separate seats and they will give you only a pencil, an eraser, a textbook, and an answer sheet. Color the correct circle on the answer sheet to choose your answer. Let's start with the listening part of the test. For the listening test, they will play a recording. The recording is about 45 minutes. It will not stop and you will hear it only one time. For the listening test, you might see some pictures in your textbook, but not the questions or the answers, so listen carefully. The listening test has 4 parts. In part 1, you will see pictures in your textbook and you will hear 4 statements or answers. Choose the answer that best describes the picture. For example, you might see this type of picture. Have a close look at it. Then you might hear 4 statements. Statement A. They are standing in front of the table. B. The projector is near the door. C. They are standing near the table. D. The table is in front of the door. Which answer do you think is correct? That's right. Answer C. They are standing near the table. Good job. In part 2, you will hear a question or a statement and you will hear 3 possible answers. You choose the correct answer. For example, the question might be, where is the meeting room? Answers: Answer A, to meet the new director. B, it's the first room on the right. C, yes, at 2 o'clock. What do you think the correct answer is? Right on. Answer B, it's the first room on the right. Good job. In part 3 of the listening test, you will hear some conversations between two people. Then you will hear 3 questions about each conversation. For each question, choose the correct answer A, B, C, or D. Part 4 is the same as part 3, but this time you will hear only one speaker. Again, you will hear 3 questions about each talk. Choose the correct answer, A, B, C, or D. And that's the end of the listening test. Ready for the reading test? Not too tired? Okay, let's go. In the reading test, you will read in your textbook lots of different texts with different types of questions. You get 75 minutes, so you have to hurry to finish all the questions in time. Again, you have to answer on the answer sheet. Do not write in the textbook. The reading test has 3 parts. In part 5, you will read some sentences with missing words. Choose the correct words. For example, the sentence might be, the recent worldwide increase in oil prices has led to a demand for electric vehicles. Possible answers: A, greater, B, greatest, C, greatly, D, greatness. What do you think is the correct answer? Think about it. There we go. Correct answer, answer A, greater. Part 6 is similar to part 5, but this time you will read a text with missing words. Then you choose the correct answer, A, B, C, or D. And finally, part 7, that's the final part of the test. In this part, you will read different types of text, such as magazine and newspaper articles, letters, and advertisements. Each text is followed by several questions. Mark your answer on your answer sheet, A, B, C, or D. Let's have a look at an example. For example, you might see this advertisement. It's for an Italian restaurant. It's called the Venezia. They have a new owner. They open 7 days from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Then they offer some coupons, $2 off for any order over $10. Another coupon, 50% off, buy one meal, the second one 50% off. And finally, a coupon that gives you a free liter of soda when you get a delivery at home. All right, they have a question about it. What is the purpose of this advertisement? A, to announce a change in business hours. B. To advertise a business for sale. C. To encourage diners to eat early. Or D. To attract more customers. What do you think the answer is? That's it. Answer D. To attract more customers. That's why they give the coupons, right? Alright, and we've come to the end of the test. Remember all the links to the test, an example of a textbook, my previous video. You can find everything in the description of the video below. And if you can and you do the test, please comment, share your score with us. And finally, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, anything you have to do to improve your English. Have a great day! I make my videos with Adobe Spark. Find the link in the description below.